Expert Scholarship is sponsored to Engineering, Architecture, Diploma, Medical, Pharmacy, Nursing, Law, Agriculture, Management, Hospitality and Fashion course students across the India. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. At any moment, if you feel that this scholarship isn't suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. The Combined Council Board CCB is on a mission to ease the burden of education cost and make quality education accessible. This scholarship is a game changer, offering a reimbursement up to 80% of tuition fees ranging from 60,000 to 2,50,000 based on the courses you have chosen. Additionally, it also gives a concession on the hostel fees. This is a significant investment on the academic journey. For seamless application process, ensure that you have the following documents like 2 passport size photographs, CCB counseling letter or the allotment letter, college ID, voter ID or Aadhaar card number, mark sheet of last qualifying examination, bank details of the applicant, caste certificate if applicable, domicile certificate and disability certificate if applicable, provide the income certificate, character certificate from the school and original migrant certificate, and these documents will be your key to unlocking a fantastic opportunity. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link given in the description box, and if you feel that this information is valuable, then show us some support by hitting the like button and share this information with all your friends. Now let's come back to the apply process. Now let's fill out the details like select your state you belong to, enter your name, enter your father name, select the gender, enter your date of birth and select the caste you belong to, and provide your current qualification details like what course you are studying, whether you are pursuing, you are appearing or you have passed the examination, and then provide your mobile number and WhatsApp number, and next select the course from the drop down which you want to pursue in future and enter the district and click on the submit button. And make sure that once you submit the application, please collect or download the receipt of the application. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with a Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey, and link in description box. Now the question is, who can apply for this scholarship? The doors are open for the Indian citizens. This scholarship is applicable for the various courses like diploma, engineering, law, architecture, pharmacy, medical and many more. Applicant must have secured minimum of 40 to 50% in last qualifying examination. For BBA, BCA and engineering, applicant must have secured minimum of 40% in previous examination, and for polytechnic, applicant must have secured minimum of 33% in class 10th or 12th. Selection criteria also consider the factors like income, domicile and disability if applicable. It's all about making the education inclusive. After applying for this scholarship, get ready for the counseling round where you will dive into the details about the list of colleges, course, fees and more. After that, you will choose your ideal college or the course from the provided list. Later, you will receive an allotment letter from the selected colleges and report to the college with the allotment letter on a specified date. If this scholarship is not suitable for you, then watch this video which is on the right side where I have explained all the details about the scholarship where you can bag up to 1 lakh worth scholarship amount.